A huge move here on the gold, 380 pips. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna analyze deeply the trades here on Forex Trendy. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you what happened on the 30-minute time frame here on Forex Trendy. And of course, I will show you which opportunities you can find using this online Forex trend scanner. So let's jump straight into the trades. The first trade I want to analyze is gold. We have a falling wedge buy signal break at 1783.95. So first thing first we must look at is the price action. As we can see, the price action looks pretty promising because here on our left we got a compression zone. These kind of patterns always tell you that something is going to happen after the battle between sellers and buyers. Someone is going to win, okay? And this time buyers to control, so we got a nice bullish impulse, harmonically moving. As you can see, we got the usual zigzag movement upward. Then the pattern forming, and the breakout was pretty solid. So the price first retested this previous zone here, okay, the previous resistance. Now it's the support, and then went up to 1821.39. No, better, 1824.22. But you will not able to catch the spike, of course. We got like 380 pips more or less, if my calculation is right. And then we got a second opportunity, second trading opportunity. Okay. Usually I work like this. I wait for the continuation of the uptrend or a downward movement. Okay, so a big sell-off. I operate on the 5-minute time frame, so I wait for an alert when the price breaks an important price structure like this. This is not financial advice. I'm showing you how I operate. Okay, and then if I have a very good confirmation like this big red candle, okay, I enter the trade. So in my opinion, we had two trading opportunities. The first one was the buy, and the second one was the sell. Same story here. If it's gonna break out, okay, I'm gonna wait for confirmation, then I will go along. But it's a total personal call. So in one signal we got two trades around 516 pips more or less. Okay, let's do that. We got 580 pips in just one trade. So as you can see, don't freak out if you're missing opportunities, because there will always be the next opportunity on the forex market. Okay, you just need strategies. You must be aware of possibilities and numbers. Okay, this time this sell position went in profit, but other times the price may just wink and go up. So it's up to you, it's up to your strategies. And of course, the king of everything is money management. So let's jump to the next trade, USD, and as we see, we have a triangle, a sell signal breaking 93.17. So the price action looks pretty good because the price was trying to break this resistance at 19.424, so very close to the 25 level. Okay, for me it's an intermediate level where the buyers and the sellers decide, okay, whether to push up the price to the 50 or the 00. So we got this strong resistance zone here, and then the downward movement. Then during the following day we got a rest. Okay, here maybe we got the POC where 70% of the investments are. So this is the battle between the buyers and the sellers, and then we got a strong sell-off here. If you are not there, you're gonna put a pending order here. Okay, I usually do like this when I don't have much time, so I put my pending order just below the previous lows, being aware that the price many times will retest the previous price structure. So the price may retest this structure here or this structure here. So it's up to you to find the right spot to put the stop loss. Okay, you can use ATR. There are so many possibilities, options to put the stop loss. Okay, are no traders that just put their stop loss above the pattern, or other traders that prefer to use the moving average. Okay, and so you put above the moving average. It's up to you. It's just an example. Okay, this is not the financial advice, of course. But even if you were late into this trade, you got another opportunity. Okay, because we had a retracement here, and then the price continued to go down to 92.14. So the previous low was 92.41, 80 pips more or less. The second one was at 92.16, so around 100 pips. So it's up to you. Okay, you got opportunities. And now another shoulder is forming, as you can see. So we got another opportunity. Here's the head and the two shoulders here. Let's see what will happen, because the price may retest the trend line and this previous lows here. This is a very important price structure at 93.25, as you can see, because the price felt it so many times. It tried to break it down, but I wasn't able to, and was pushed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So yes, this is an interesting price zone here to take a look, to pay attention to when you are monitoring. Okay, you are scanning the market. So watch out to these very important informations, because price structures make the difference. Let's jump to the euro and the Canadian dollar. Another very good trade, always followed by strong price action, because as you can see, we got two lows here. For me, it's a very strong indication that something bullish is going to happen. As you can see, we got a lower low, but not so far away from the previous one. Okay, and then the price was pushed up and retesting, always feeling this support zone around 43.40. Rebounded so many times, except of these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, even not even getting close to it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then started to go up. As you can see, the price started to go up, retesting upper levels here at 43.74. So the buyers slowly buying. Okay, these are big investor institutions. They don't buy one time, only one time. They open small positions. Okay, small position for their sizes, of course. They are not comparable to a retail trader, of course. They buy a little bit, and then push, okay, the price higher. Look at this. Okay, strong, a very strong upward move. Let me see the breakout at 44.37 up to 45.68. 100 pips more or less, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I trade all day long, so sometimes I am burnout, but it was an interesting trade, of course. As you can see, we got a nice trend line here. Okay, I'm not very good at drawing, but as you can see, we got higher lows. Yeah, the breakout was not perfect because the price struggled a little bit to break the previous high here. Okay, and then usually it does like this, and then went back inside, retesting this price action, this price level around 44. Classic, of course, classic. As you can see, this previous high, okay, where the price fell so many times. But no doubt to go long here after this big green candle. Of course, no doubt there it. No, no, no. Okay, this is buy all time, all life long. Of course, it's a personal call, but honestly, this is a buy for me. Look at this. So many confirmation. So many confirmations. So for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video and my explanation. If you have questions, leave them down below in the comments. I will be very glad to answer to you. Don't be shy. I know that many of my viewers like these patterns analysis. I will do more. I'm sorry if I've been away for so long, but I was training a lot and it's been like a crazy time of my training journey. I'll be back with new videos. Don't worry. See you soon. Bye bye.